Okay, one of the things that can make me deny to travel abroad
Okay.
is should be based on leadership in all ramification of governance.
Okay.
Our leaders, the way they lead us, is not is not proper in a democratic system. So that's why you find a lot of Nigerian youth trying to travel abroad.
Okay.
So if the leaders can think and do the proper thing at each point in time, I think Nigerians in all ethics can remain in the country without traveling.
Okay. Okay, that's the first question now. Thank you very much. The second question now is, what do you like about Yoruba culture and what do you dislike about Yoruba culture?
Okay, one thing I like about Oduduwa is that one, they have this consistency
Okay.
in their cultural presentations. Just like what happened day before yesterday in Computer Village, the Asheshe stuff. We saw them, they came out in their different cultural attires
Okay.
and their masquerade and the likes. People were out there to enjoying the view. But one thing I don't like about it is that they don't carry people along. When they
Okay.
notice that you are not a Yoruba person, you see you like a foreigner, which is not proper, which is what I don't like about the culture. They have
Okay.
to be able to have the knowledge of carrying everybody along.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Now the last question, I want you to interpret 4 words in Yoruba for me. The first one is, what is wealth in Yoruba?
Wealth, wealth is wealth can be defined as
I
a
want you to say wealth. Say that wealth in Yoruba language. Wealth. Uh,
owó ni kéèyàn
okay.
lówó.
Okay. So what is health in Yoruba too?
Health is how do I put it? Health is ìwòsàn, as in téèyàn bá ní ìwòsàn lára tó bá dáa.
Okay. Okay. So what is wisdom in Yoruba?
Ọpọlọ ni téèyàn bá lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀.
Okay. Now the last one. What is happiness in Yoruba?
Ayọ̀ ni ayọ̀ téèyàn bá láyọ̀.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sam. We're happy to have you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yes, sir.